What are you thinking about doing?
You
Yeah, you won't be able to get out of that window, darling.
fuck off, that bitch. Janet. Fuck off, rude.
Do you love me?
Fuck off. What a fat bastard.
I know I'm a fat bastard.
Twat.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry you're frustrated.
Quit.
I'm sorry. You can fly around the room.
Fuck off, Nick. Oh. Janet. Hello, my angel.
Hello, Bubs.
Shut up, you twat. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up your ass. Shut up your ass. So fuck. You're bloody rude.
You're bloody rude, you little cheeky monkey.
What? Yeah. You hungry?
No.
Get up, freak. Back off. Fuck off. Back. Fuck. Cunty. Cunty.
Ah bon. Est-ce que vous voudrez boire?
Twat. Shut up, cunt. Bollocks. Shut fuck up. Fuck off.
Oh dear, you're shocking.
Twat. Right. Okay.
Come on, you can say other things apart from swear words. Stop cursing and speaking French.
Fuck off, you twat.
What are you doing?
Shut up, you fat bastard. Yeah.
Stop it, you daft bugger.
Fuck off, Nick.
Don't be rude.
Careful. Get up. Bloody bastard. Careful.
Careful what? Why do you keep saying careful all the time?
Cunty, fatty, twat. Cunt. Oh dear.
Your language is absolutely disgusting.
Fuck off. Fuck off. Do you not play?
Yes, of course I love you.
Fuck off, you cunt.
That's charming.
Shut up, you cunt. You twat. Come on, you fucker. Don't, you cunt. Fuck off, you cunt. Stop. Twat. Come on, sausage. What the thing?
Oh,
You're not funny.
I'm not trying to be funny.
Fuck off, you cunt.
What did you say?
Fat bitch.
Don't.
Twat.
Don't.
Careful, alright? Get off there.
Pardon?
Got rid of fat bitch.
You're a fat bitch.
Get up, you bastard. Come here. Come here, fat bastard.
Oh, don't be disgusting.
Oh, cunty.
Oh,
Let's go to the club.
oh, you're funny. Under the water, under the sea, how many big fat titties can you see? Hey?
Come. I love you. I love you. Shut up, come.
Why can't I be nice to you?
You're a lesbian.
No, I'm not. Nor is Molly.
You're a lesbian.
No, are you a lesbian?
You're a lesbian.
No, are you a lesbian?
Cut bollocks.
Shit, cut bollocks.
Bollocks. Fat bollocks.
Fat bollocks.
Oh dear.
I've never heard that before. Oh dear, fat bollocks.
Fuck off. Oh, fucker. Shut up, you cunt, alright?
Any messages for YouTube? For your loyal, loving friends?
What twat? Hello, my angel.